Follow video to know Modular Steel Platform.
Hello guys, this is Beer again. Why it was Europe's hottest modular steel platform. Follow my view. This is the secret. Watch how magic happens. No vending, just a board and a click. Need 7 plus 3 meters next month. All design based on modular. You can see no matter the post, the main beam or the second beam, all can adjust your site place. Why our modular steel platform is very strong and can load in heavy capacity. This is the secret. First, we use very strong entry boards with 8.8 grade. So at four boards for each post to connect with the ground floor. This way can make sure the post can connect with the ground floor very strong and stable. Make sure the full steel platform system is very strong. The second, the special design with the top of the post. You can see here we can use this design. Make sure no matter the front or side or left or right, anyway you can extend your steel platform size. So you can based on this to increase your warehouse area. Very strong and high quality the wear design. Make sure the system quality is very heavy. It's very strong, very high quality. As we all know, the welded quality is one very important part for the full racking system point. So our very high and strong welded quality make sure your racking system very long life. The flexible connection between the main and secondary beams ensure that you can adjust the size as needed. Here, special credited floor support design ensures a stronger floor capacity and a greater safety. The concave convex embodied wooden board connection design ensures a more stable floor surface. Want to prefit boosting platform? Click link in description now